Ralph Breaks the Internet, Wreck-It Ralph 2. Released 2018, directed by Richmore Phil Johnston. Wreck-It Ralph. Released 2012, directed by Richmore. More Wreck-It Ralph 20 small Wreck-It Ralph details. Fans somehow spotted 15 Wreck-It Ralph fan theories that might break the internet. Problem Child. Released 1990, directed by Dennis Dugan. More Problem Child 489 of 1137. The absolute funniest movies of all time 16 of 26. The funniest movies about parenting 120 of 134. The best directorial debuts of famous actors. The Lion King. Released 2019, directed by Jon Favreau. More 13 small but fascinating details that prove The Lion King remake deserves another look. The first reactions to the live-action Lion King 24 of 97, the best Disney live-action movies. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Released 2004, directed by Alfonso Cuarón. More Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Surprising behind-the-scenes facts about Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Harry Potter fans are answering our biggest time-turner questions from the Prisoner of Azkaban. The Nightmare Before Christmas. Released 1993, directed by Henry Selick. More The Nightmare Before Christmas. The Nightmare Before Christmas fan theories that just might be true. 16 of 206 musical movies with the best songs. 139 of 575 the best animated films ever. Batman, Mask of the Phantasm. Released 1993, directed by Bruce Timm, Eric Radomski. More Batman, Mask of the Phantasm. 39 of 166, the best superhero movies ever made. 75 of 177, the greatest comic book movies of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care.